Hello, here is how to install LibKey Nomad on your device. Just as a reminder, LibKey is a tool to help you locate articles already purchased by your library, whether you are using our databases, Google, or an AI tool. Let's go ahead and start off at our LibGuide and click on the link provided to thirdiron.com/download nomad/hashtag choose dash browser. Go ahead and click whichever option you prefer. It has, as you can see, it has several different options for you to install and download onto your chosen browser. Today, we're going to go ahead and choose Chrome. Once you click on it, for Chrome, it's going to take you to this page. Click on that blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. And then it should pop up this page right here. Go ahead and select the organization by typing Saginaw Valley State University in. And once it pops up, you can click on it. Then you are all set. All you have to do is look for that green raindrop in that blue button that says Download PDF. For instance, if we go to Google and we're searching something like technical writing, and click on the Wikipedia page. As you're reading the Wikipedia page, perhaps you find something that you think might be useful. Scroll all the way down to the reference list. And once you get to the reference list, keep on scrolling until you find that green raindrop and that blue button that says Access Options. This will take you right to the library's website so you can find out if we have it. As you can see, it's looking for the full text from our databases. You just have to give it a few minutes, and then ta-da! Turns out this article is in our JSTOR databases, free for you to use. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.